Welcome to today's video where we'll be looking at the absolutely beautiful Jaguar F-Type and what we've installed in it. So today's video is all about security. Now it's a really popular upgrade, especially on any JLR product, but especially these F-Types. They're beautiful things and we want to keep them with the owner. So what we fitted to this car is a Ghost Immobiliser. So what that does is allow the owner of this vehicle to get in and go by putting in a secret pin that only he knows and is only locked away in his head. No need for any fobs or pin pads or anything else comes to him in the car. It's a really neat and hidden solution. Now the Ghost Immobiliser is one we are fitting all the time, purely just because of how good of a product it is, really seamless and easy to use. It takes a little bit of getting used to, especially at the start, but after you've used it for a few days, it becomes secondhand and a gadget that you couldn't do without. Now, having a security upgrade like this is becoming absolutely invaluable to any of these owners and something that I always make sure I have in my car. Now, what is also a common security upgrade on cars like these is adding in a tracker. So here at CBS Automotive, we offer both Vodafone and Scorpion options to give you tracking and immobilization if you like so. Now also another common upgrade in terms of security is adding in a dash camera. So the most common dash cameras we offer here are the Blackview and Thinkware dash cameras. Now what that allows for is both of those options actually have a battery. Now what that means is you're going to get parking recording. So even when this car is parked, locked up and away in a car park or at home, you're still going to have that recording if anyone comes near the vehicle or does try to steal it. So having all three of those is the absolute complete solution for security for any vehicle, but especially something as lovely as this. Now there is also the option of going for a steering lock. We've got quite a few options in many different colours, and you can actually have them colour matched to your vehicle to have them a really nice looking security upgrade in there. Now if you're interested in having a similar upgrade like this done on your vehicle, please do let us know. Get in contact with either myself or my team and we'll happily help you out. Now I hope you've enjoyed today's video and feel free to subscribe and like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.